So today we have three jury members with us for Talent Round 2. First, of course, is Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, our director of the project, and two new members who just joined our FCR family. The first is, of course, Dr. Rekha Mukherjee, who is a professor of English at Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. She also holds the charge as a cultural coordinator at the university, and of course, she has been a theatre director and an actor as well. The third jury member is the lovely Roshni Tolani, who is trained under celebrity makeup gurus like Namrata Soni, Adrian Jacobs. She is a certified makeup artist, a personality development coach, and currently has 4 branches of her own salon in Ahmedabad by the name of B&B Salon and Nails. So welcome on board, jury members. It's a pleasure having each one of you here today. Thank you so much for joining us. So I'd like to start if you guys give me a digital nod. All right, thank you so much. So let's start with the sequence would be Pallavi, Avantika, Madhusmita, Sobhita, Ruchika, Sashwati, Prachi, Somprabha, and Jharna. Okay, so let's start with Pallavi. All the best, ladies. This is going to be really fun. So let's start with Pallavi. Hi, Pallavi, how are you?
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So, I decided to do my makeup inspired by a K-drama called It's Okay to Not Be Okay. So, in that K-drama, there is a woman named Komunyo who is very independent CEO type vibes, and she's very strong-willed and stuff. So I wanted to give off that look, and I went for a very Korean-esque makeup, but a smoky eyeshadow, very light smoky, like her. And for clothes, I went a bit vintage vibes and very fashionable and very strong type of vibes. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you so much. So moving forward, next would be Avantika. Hi, Avantika.
Hello, everyone.
Are we ready?
Yes, sure. So, good evening, judges and panel, and my dear friends. So, in my area in Madhya Pradesh, Diwali is our main festival. So, when Diwali season is around, it means a lot of parties, family gatherings, and obviously pujas. So, with so many festivals and the days lined up back to back, I opted for this Diwali makeup that leaves you looking gorgeous and feeling glamorous. So obviously makeup brings out the best in us, and the change we feel is how we portray it. We can even mix and match each of the Diwali makeup looks and steal the show. So whether we feel like a diva or a girl next door, we have all these qualities in us, and the right makeup looks bring it out in front of everyone. So, well, yes, here's my Diwali makeup look. For the base, first thing first, we need to get our skin cleaned up, toned, and moisturized, and then apply the foundation which goes best with our skin tone. After that, I had used concealer to touch upon the dark areas and then blend the concealer into the skin, and following it up with some loose powder for a seamless finish. So lastly, I used some highlighters on the tip of my nose, cheekbones, and chin for that sparkly glow on my face. For the eyes, guess for me, the smoky look never goes out. So I have used shades of black and green and a small quantity of shimmer on the sides. I have opted for a winged eyeliner look. For that, there are nothing more sassy than alluring eyes, which brings the festive season out in the festival night. So I have completed the look with a touch of mascara and a touch up of eyebrows. For the lips, I have begun as a routine by using a lip balm, and then I have opted for a bold shade of red color. so that my lips doesn't dry up and show any visible cracks. I have also applied a blush and some of the contour for my face. So that makes your cheeks glowy, and it's always that shimmering blush which will give a rosy cheek finish and complete full of the Diwali look. So I've also completed the look with some bright earrings, accessories, and a tied up puffy hairstyle. So yeah, in the end, I would conclude by saying Happy Diwali, ladies. And yeah, we gotta rock the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Avantika. Thank you. Jury members, Avantika was 45 seconds past her scheduled time. Please note. So moving forward, we have Madhusmita. Hi, Madhusmita. Can we please have your audio and video as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, आज मैं उड़ीसा को रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रही हूँ. मैं ये थीम जो पहनी हूँ ये अशोका मूवी का रानी कुंवरवती का है. एक्चुअली मुझे कुछ थीम्स करना था जिसमें मैं स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकूं, और मेरा फेवरेट हीरो जो है वो शाहरुख खान है, और शाहरुख को तो मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर नहीं सकती, तो मैंने करीना कपूर का ये गेटअप पहना है. मैं दिखाती हूँ. और मैंने ये टैटू भी रानी कुंवरवती जैसा बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पे, और आप मेरी आईज पे से देख सकते हैं. और मैं एक छोटा सा कुछ प्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ. और मेकअप मैंने जैसे मैम ने बताया था, पहले अपने फेस को अच्छे से क्लींस किया है, उसके बाद मॉइस्चराइजर यूज किया है. और जैसे कि फाउंडेशन मेरे फेस पे ज्यादा सूट नहीं करता, तो मैंने फाउंडेशन नहीं किया है. मॉइस्चराइजर के ऊपर लूज पाउडर थोड़ा सा लगा, अपनी आईज को थोड़ा हाईलाइट हुआ है. जैसे करीना कपूर का पूरा मेकअप में उसका बॉडी का टैटू ही बहुत ज्यादा उसको पर्सनालिटी को एनहांस करता था, तो मैंने ये किया हुआ है. और मेरे कर्ली हेयर है तो ओपन हेयर मैंने चूज किया. आई डोंट नो मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ कि नहीं, बट दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Madhusmita. Thank you. Jury members, Madhusmita was 25 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Sobhita with us. Hi, Sobhita.
Hi.
Are we ready?
Yeah, yes. Hello everyone, I'm Shobhita. Today I have impersonated the role of Satyabhama, who is the royal female character in Indian Kuchipudi dance. So she loves to dress herself in a silk saree with border. The outstanding among the elaborate jewelry worn by Satyabhama was her jada. Jada generally is a Telugu word which we call as plaited hair. With the sun and moon either side of her party, you can see the sun and also the moon. Okay, she loves to wear anklets, bangles, nose pins, and also long jhumkas, that is the earrings. It was said that Satyabhama used to quarrel with Lord Krishna, saying that she looks more beautiful than him. She was the ultimate drama queen in those days among all the women. Her fish-shaped eyes, enrolled lips, red lips attracted each and everyone. I, being a classical dancer, I love to dress up like her. I never got an opportunity to dress up like her. Like, I was the junior student. My seniors used to dress up like Satyabhama. I was always interested, when will I get chance? When will I dress up like her? And finally today I made it. I was eagerly waiting for a chance. At least I should have a picture dressing up her like this. She also puts white tilakam, which indicates that she is a royal female character, and a crown. Among all the jewelry, she loves to wear the long chains and also the nose pinched. This is what Satyabhama, how she dresses. Thank you.
Thank you, Shobita. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jury members, are we good to proceed? I hope the speed is okay. Okay, thank you. So next would be Ruchika. Hi, Ruchika.
Hello, good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yeah. Good afternoon, juries and my dear team members. Today in this talent round 2, I have chosen my theme. Actually, I have dressed up and used my makeup inspired by the theme of fairy tales, because I'm always fascinated by the fairy tales as it captures the hope and dreams of humanity. They convey messages of overcoming adversity, rising from roads to riches, and the benefits of courage. Fairy tales are also extremely moral in their demarcation between good or evil and right and wrong. So I have used my makeup with the theme of this fairy tale, and I have used a light makeup using a light foundation, and the cheeks I have used the little pink blush I have used, and my eyeshadows, eyeliner I have used really little for this look, and I have also made my braid as Elsa. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ruchika. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Som Prabha. Hi, Som Prabha.
गुड आफ्टरनून सभी को।
मैं रेडी?
हाँ, मैं रेडी। मैं अभी मतलब जो हमारे समाज में जो विधवा औरतें हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं खुद वो हूँ। तो जो आपके ऊपर एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा वही आप बता सकते हो दुनिया को। तो उसके लिए मुझे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि विधवा औरतें ज्यादा मेकअप ये सब ज्यादा चटक रंग नहीं पहनती हैं, वो हल्के रंग में ही मतलब रहती हैं। फिर भी उनके अंदर के होता है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन उसी टाइम निकलती हैं। ये कभी हार नहीं मानती किसी चीज से, और उनके लिए ज्यादा मेकअप करना वो नहीं है, पॉसिबल नहीं है। अगर करती हैं अभी तो बहुत लोग बोलने लगते हैं, मतलब सभी बोलते हैं कि ये कर रही है वो कर रही है, लेकिन फिर भी इसीलिए उसको मतलब जो अपने सिंपल लुक में भी बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि खराब दिखती हैं, हल्के रंग में भी सुंदर है, और अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए उनको रंग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती कभी भी किसी चीज की, ना मेकअप की। फिर भी अपने सपने पूरे करती हैं हमेशा, और अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को हमेशा बखूबी निभाती हैं सभी के ऊपर, अपने चाहे बच्चे हो या पेरेंट्स हो, सभी के लिए और अपने लिए भी। उनको कभी रंगों की मेकअप की कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी, हमेशा मतलब सिंपलिसिटी में एकदम खूबसूरत रही। उनकी यही सबसे बड़ी खूबसूरती है, तो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा यही लगा। थैंक यू। ज्यादा इतना ही।
Thank you, Som Prabha. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Sashwati. Hi. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए।
Am I audible?
Yes, now you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready. There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Good evening. Good afternoon all. I am Dr. Shashwati Vishwas from City of Joy, Kolkata. Today I am represent ethnic Bengali style. Just that why I wear a red pallu shari with proper matching of red bindi and red lipstick with few traditional jewelry, and I am always do the proper skincare like cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. And today I just wearing the few jewelry and bindi, light kajal, and I am always blessed by good skin. So I don't have any pigmentation or any other skin problem. I also maintain the proper diet. And thank you all. Lastly, I want to say, I am me, nothing more, nothing less. And that is the enough. Namaskar.
Thank you, Shashwati. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right. So moving forward, we have Prachi. Hi, Prachi.
Hello, Harry.
Are we ready?
Just 1 second, yeah.
Sure.
केम छो बधा मजामा गुजरात नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा. जय श्री कृष्ण. હું છું પ્રાચી ચૌધરી. તમારા બધાના ખૂબ ખૂબ સ્વાગત કરું છું. As you all can see, I am representing Vibrant Gujarat, flourishing culture. So, Vibrant Gujarat, Vibrant Navratri and Vibrant me. I am representing माँ सरस्वती. उनका तो हर रूप ही सुंदर है. मैंने उनके हिसाब से जैसे उनकी आंखें बोलती हैं, मैंने अपनी आंखों को वैसे वाइब्रेंट तैयार किया है. बिंदी माता को खुश करने के लिए लगाई है. नवरात्रि का हमारा यही पर्पस है कि माता जी को खूब सुंदर से तैयार होके उन्हें प्रसन्न किया जाए. हमारा गरबा हमारे सौभाग्य का प्रतीक माना जाता है. गरबे के में हर कोई इतना ब्यूटीफुल लगता है कि उनका मेकअप अपने आप ही इतना ज्यादा वाइब्रेंट हो जाता है. आज मुझे लग रहा है मेरी आंखें बोल रही हैं, मेरी बिंदिया बोल रही है, मेरे हाथ बोल रही हैं, मेरी चूड़ियां बोल रही है, और ये सब मैंने अपने माता जी को प्रसन्न करने के लिए किया है. I always like Garba because it unites people of all ages, caste and religion. They come as a one and celebrate this festival. आज मैं माँ दुर्गा से हाथ जोड़ के ये आशीर्वाद लेना चाहती हूँ कि ये वो मुश्किल दौर से हमें जल्दी से निकाले, सबको सुरक्षित रखे, खुश रखे, और बस यही कहूँगी, गुजरात नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा, कुछ दिन गुजारो गुजरात में. जय माँ अम्बे.
Thanks, Prachi. Thank you so much. So moving forward, the sequence is Rakhi, Dharna, Chitrata and Shraddha. Hi Rakhi, can we please hear from you? Okay, I think she lost connection. Maybe we could put her in the waiting. Then would be Dharna. Hi. Priyanjani Dansana, जिनका नाम Excel sheet में झरना जी. Hi.
हाय मैम.
आपका नाम एक्सेल शीट पे किस नाम से है?
मैम झरना.
झरना. Jury members, please note her name in the official, sheet would be with the name Jharna. So, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Hello, ma'am. Audible?
Yes, you're audible. आप शुरू करें. झरना, क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रही हैं?
यस मैम.
आप शुरू कीजिए प्लीज.
यस मैम. मैम मैं ओडिशा से हूँ. ऐसे तो ओडिशा में सिंपल टाइप से ही मेकअप करते हैं, सबको जैसा लगता है. मेरे जैसा, जैसे कि मैं सिंपल टाइप से मेकअप की हूँ, जस्ट लाइक कि
Jana, if you want, you can take 5 minutes. आप 5 मिनट बाद अपीयर कर सकती हैं, 2-3 कैंडिडेट्स का हो जाए उसके बाद. Yeah, Harry?
All right, ma'am. झरना, आप प्लीज पानी वगैरह ले लीजिए, टेक डीप ब्रेथ, एंड देन हम आपकी बारी पे आते हैं, ठीक है? डोंट वरी, नर्वस मत होइए आप. So next would be Chitrita. Hi, Chitrita.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
नमस्ते जूरी और मेरे सभी फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स को. मैं मुर्शिदाबाद वेस्ट बंगाल से चित्रिता खान आज बड़े ही गर्व से माँ कामाख्या के रूप में आप लोगों के सामने आई हूँ. माँ कामाख्या, ऐसा कथित है कि शिव जी की पहली पत्नी सती ने उनका जब देहांत हुआ, उस वक्त शिव जी को इतना क्रोध आया कि उन्होंने सती के शव को लेकर अपना तांडव शुरू कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से हमारी सृष्टि में प्रलय आ गया. उस प्रलय को रोकने के लिए ब्रह्मा और विष्णु जी ने ये ठाना कि विष्णु जी अपनी सुदर्शन चक्र की सहायता से सती के शरीर को 51 हिस्सों में बांट देंगी, और वो 51 हिस्से हमारी सृष्टि में, हमारी धरती में भिन्न भिन्न जगहों में जाके गिरी और वहां पे मंदिर स्थापित किया गया. आज मैं वही 51 जगहों में से एक कामाख्या मंदिर की कामाख्या माँ बनी हूँ. कामाख्या मंदिर आसाम के गुवाहाटी में स्थित है. ऐसा माना जाता है वहां पे माँ सती की योनि, यानी कि हम लोग इंग्लिश में जिसको वजाइना बोलते हैं, वो पार्ट गिरा था, जिसके लिए हर साल में 22 तारीख जून की 22 तारीख से शुरू करके 25 तारीख तक उनका मासिक चक्र चलता है. ऐसा कह के वहां पे अम्ब्योबाची नाम का एक अनुष्ठान चलता है. वही अनुष्ठान के भित्त में ये माना जाता है कि वहां पे देवी उस टाइम पे ब्लीड करती हैं, और इसी वजह से वहां के सभी लोग और बंगाल के सभी लोग अम्ब्योबाची पालन करते हैं. ऐसा मेरा मानना है कि वहां के वुमेनहुड में आके ब्लीड करना ये एक बहुत ही प्राउड फीलिंग है. कुछ लोग ऐसा कह जाते हैं कि हर जगह पे इक्वल अगर वुमेन है तो फिर क्यों उनके लिए रक्षित किया जाता है कुछ चीजें, जैसे कि बस और ट्रेन्स में उनके लिए सीट्स रिजर्व होती हैं, क्यों ऐसा होता है? तो उनको ये समझना चाहिए कि एक वुमेन पसीने की तरह खून हर महीने अपने बदन से बहाती है, और इसी वजह से उनको वो रिजर्वेशन पाना जरूरी है, और वो अपनी जॉब, अपनी काम, अपना फैमिली सब कुछ संभालते हुए भी ब्लीड करती है. मैं मानती हूँ रेड कलर is the symbol of iron, and when I bleed I feel like I'm a gun. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Chitrita. Thank you, jury members. Chitrita was 1 minute past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Shraddha. Hi, Shraddha.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Are we
everyone.
ready?
Team member. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Team member. Good afternoon, jury, ma'am. Today, I have chosen the theme of becoming a snake female. As a femininity, so many people are there outside still today in our India or rest of our country, as I will say, who think still women are not so much powerful. For that purpose, I have chosen the theme of becoming snake, so that every femininity is strong. No one is so unsafely can walk on the roadside. As a femininity, we all have the right equal with our strength. For that purpose, I've chosen the theme of snakes to represent myself among becoming Miss India. And the theme which was given today along with the theme of makeup. So I have chosen as a snake, she can take many changes of face she can make as a femininity of woman. And even she can survive, take birth so many several times. And she is devoted to even Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva is the most powerful among India. Everyone devoted to Lord Shiva. So as a powerful woman, everyone is blessed with Lord Shiva, and we all have the unique beauty in our inner self. So for that purpose, I have chosen the theme of snake. And I also think that whatever I have tried this face as a makeup today, I have chosen only a simple makeup in which I have firstly done the cleanup. Then I have used the compiler. Then I have used the foundation. Then after that, I have chosen the lipsticks on my lips as a nude lipstick, which I was learned among Forever Miss India, the jury member who have trained us. Then later, I have used the eyelash. Then I have chosen the blush. As slightly, I have used the concealer. That's it. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity, and to every team members. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shraddha. Jury members, Shraddha was 25 seconds past her scheduled time. So now we are left with Jharna. Hi, Jharna, would you like to do it again? Are we good to go? क्या आप फिर से शुरू करना चाहेंगी? ओके, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए.
हेलो मैम.
जी, अभी नर्वस नहीं होना है, आराम से. जो भी आपने मेहनत करी है, इतना तैयार होके आप बैठे हैं, तो आप आराम से कंफर्टेबल होके बताइए, ठीक है?
यस मैम. हेलो मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून. मैम सुनाई दे रहा है?
जी जी झरना, बिल्कुल साफ सुनाई दे रहा है, आप आगे बढ़िए.
हाँ मैम, जैसे कि मैं ओडिशा से हूँ, झारसुगुड़ा ओडिशा से. अभी फिलहाल मैं स्मार्ट सिटी भुवनेश्वर में रहती हूँ. तो वहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप की जानकारी, टैलेंट की जानकारी, मॉडलिंग की जानकारी थोड़ी थोड़ी करके अभी मैं यहाँ तक पहुंची हूँ. उसके बाद में मैं इतना तो नॉलेज नहीं है मुझे कि मेकअप हाईली डीपली कैसे किया जाता है. सिंपल सी मेकअप में जैसे करती हूँ, या फिर हमारे जैसे मैं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ, तो हॉस्टल में देखती हूँ वो लोग हमेशा से पूरा सिंपल मेकअप, जैसे कि 1 घंटा के बाद उतर ही जाए. तो यूजली तो फाउंडेशन यूज करते हैं, सिंपल सी पाउडर, फेस पाउडर, आईलाइनर, काजल, लिपस्टिक, ये कॉमन है मेकअप की. उस मेकअप, आई एम सॉरी मैम. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Jharna. So that brings us to the end of this wonderful talent round 2. Thank you so much, ladies, for putting your best foot forward. It was a wonderful show that you guys had put. And of course, it was always, it was a pleasure watching each one of you describe yourself so beautifully. So now I request the jury members to take on one by one and give us some parting words. So let's start with the director herself. Kirti ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Hari, for allowing me to speak. And first of all, let me congratulate each one of you for presenting yourselves today in Talent Round 2. So it has been a journey. I saw all of you in Talent Round. Yeah. So let me just continue. I have already met all of you during the auditions, and after the audition, I saw you appearing for Talent Round 1, and this is the 3rd time that I'm seeing you, presenting yourselves. So there has been a huge difference, and it actually gives me immense pleasure to see that every day I'm getting to see a better version of you, right? हर दिन एक नया talent मुझे देखने को मिल रहा है. Like last time when you were talking about yourself, today you have been so creative. All of you ladies are looking so bold. You have become so confident that you know आपको क्या present करना है. Round makeup का है, लेकिन आप makeup के थ्रू कैसे अलग अलग issues को इस platform पे लेके आ रहे हैं. That's what the whole idea is. That's how I wanted you to be creative. So let me say, I'm really, really proud of each one of you today. Secondly, do not be scared of anything. आप किससे डर रहे हैं? हमसे? So we are not really here to judge you. हम तो सिर्फ देखने आए हैं कि आपने कितना प्रोग्रेस किया है. तो किसी चीज से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको ऐसा अगर लगता है कि मैं इस इशू को लोगों के सामने लाना चाहती हूँ या अपना ये वर्जन लोगों को दिखाना चाहती हूँ, then do it as you want to do it. We want you to be you. Be unapologetically you. किसी से डरने की या ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं कि अगर मैं ये बोलूंगी तो क्या होगा, अगर मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी तो क्या होगा. We want the most raw version of you to be present here, right? Once again, thank you so much. Also, there's one more thing that I would want to add. We have experts from every field on this platform. अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे मेकअप नहीं करना आता, मुझे नहीं पता कि बेस क्या होता है, या मैं कॉन्टूर कैसे कर सकती हूँ, मैं हाईलाइट कैसे कर सकती हूँ, then we have sessions going on every day. अगर आप आज नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे, आप कल वो सेशन अटेंड कीजिए, right? The customer support team is so supportive all the time. They're helping you out with everything. अगर आपका genuine reason है, आप नहीं अटेंड कर सकते हैं, I would suggest आप आज नहीं तो कल जरूर अटेंड कीजिए. And if not, please go through the recorded sessions that we're uploading on YouTube. Trust me, it's going to help you. You know, rather than coming and saying कि मुझे नहीं आता makeup या मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पता है इसके बारे में, you know, it's good that you come a little prepared, right? So I hope that helped all of you. And yes, thank you. I loved each and every performance today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. So I guess now I request Rekha to take over with some parting words. Over to you.
Thank you so very much, Harry. Thank you very much, Kirti, jury, Roshni. It was wonderful as a teacher, you know, and as a mother at heart. I loved watching, you know, talent and soul coming from deep within, be it Ma Kamakhya being portrayed by one girl. You know, I had goosebump moments, simplicity like Diwali makeup, or this girl came as, I am a widow, so I'll portray what I am. You know, so much of this lady in Bengali Lal Par Sari, or portraying Satyabhama. Each one of you, I've marked, you know, mentioned here. It was, you know, women from you know, each part of our country. It was like Mother India, Woman India, Stri Shakti of India, you know, woman power of India from all over in one platform. Kudos to Forever. Kudos to Kirti, Harry, all of you at Forever, bringing out talent and real girl power from across India on one platform. And this was a true show, you know, showcasing girl power from across India. I am so happy. Each one of you, if I could not take your name, portraying, you know, Snake Woman, or this vibrant Gujarat with the element of dance, talent, makeup, beauty, you know, inner strength, everything you portrayed. I am so enriched. I am so enriched. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Rekha, for such lovely words. And, you know, we appreciate you being here as well. So now I request our lovely, you know, co-jury Roshni to take over, and, you know, so that we can take your leave later.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Kirti and Rekha ji. It was amazing. I mean, seeing everyone from different walks of life portraying themselves in such a beautiful way. You know, it doesn't matter if you have done it with simplicity or if you have put in your creative side ahead today, but it's just amazing. आप सब लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत की यहाँ पर आने की, और जो भी कुछ आप लोगों ने आज यहाँ पे किया है, it blows my mind. It takes real effort, it takes real courage to be here in front of so many people and just like showing some part of your life to us. And I'm so honored to be part of this thing. Congratulations everyone, to all the participants. You have done a brilliant job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roshni. Thank you. The jury members, thank you so much for being here with us today. It meant a lot, and we shall take your leave so that I can just have a word with the participants.